This is a guided walkthrough for level number 25 from the Temperance CTF labs over at HackMyVM.eu. So for each one of these levels, you need to read the mission for the level, and then you need to figure out how to complete the mission. So let's go ahead and start. Level number 25, in this mission you will receive a URL that you must visit. You must return the value found in a header, the HMV header. Okay, so this is dealing with more web pages. And so the HMV header, huh? So for example, if it's this, we need to output the value in HMV header. So I think we can copy this, and if we were using a tool like curl, and we get ourselves some verbose output. So the HMV header, where is it? It says moved permanently. It moved permanently, but where's the header that we're supposed to access? I guess inside of curl you can also do redirection. I forget what the argument was. So curl follow redirection. I think it might be dash capital I. Oh, use L. Okay, so to follow redirects, you have to do dash capital L. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so the header is going to be called HMV code. Okay, that's cool. So this is, well, I mean, we're not going to be using curl. We're going to be using Python to get this result. So let's go ahead and start our level. How are we going to do this? So once again, we're using the request module, and we're also using the socket module. We need to access level 25. So we just need to address this, and we need to receive the challenge. So the challenge is going to be in the form of a URL, and we're just going to convert that into a string. So from there, we're just going to comment out everything else to see if this part of the code works properly. So we'll write out the code. Okay, so let's run the code. Okay, so we received a URL from the server, and then we turned it into a string. So the next thing we need to do is we need to access this website with Python. Okay, so we're not getting the web page contents in this case. We need to get the web page headers. But first, I guess what we can do is we can take a look at the contents, because I think whatever web page we access is going to be it's going to redirect us. And if that's the case, I want to find out what this content is over here. Well, not the contents, but the request. What's in the request? Let's go ahead and get the web content. So this is the web page response. Okay, and we'll just comment out everything else. We'll figure out if we're actually getting a 200 response or if we're getting a redirect response. Okay, so we'll write that out, and then we'll run the script. F string, oh, it looks like I made a little boo-boo. All right, so web content has to have a curly brace. Okay, let's do that again. So this is the web page response, response 200. Okay, so if it's response 200, we want to get all of the headers. Let me check this out. Python requests return headers. So response.headers. So, I mean, is it just this easy? Just do response.headers? It might be. Okay, so this is the web page response, and maybe we'll do web page web headers equals web content dot headers, and we'll print that off as well. Web headers, and we'll print off a message like these are the web page headers. Okay, write it out, and then okay, so let's run the script again. Okay, so these are the web page headers. So HMV code. Okay, so this is a dictionary. This is a dictionary. Yeah, this is a dictionary that's returned to us. So the web page headers is a dictionary, and we want to get the value of the first dictionary item. Okay, so let's see. I haven't worked with dictionaries very much in Python. So Python return value from dictionary, or return dictionary. Yeah, return value from dictionary. So how to return values in a Python dictionary? Let's take a look. So it's not the best idea to name a variable dictionary. Okay, so if you want to call this, so favorite dictionary, Jake should return red pizza and soda. So Jake is this. So I guess we would return the dictionary with HMV code. So we just need to save this out as something. I don't know. Retrieve the value of the HMV header, or the HMV code. HMV code header. Okay, so we're going to call this HMV value, I guess. So the HMV value is going to be web content dot headers, and we're grabbing HMV code. And then I guess we'll print it out with an F string, and we'll do HMV value. This is the value of the HMV code header. Okay. Okay, so let's see if we can get that HMV code. Here, this is the value of the HMV code header. It is this. Okay, so this looks exactly like what we want. So all we need to do now is we need to convert this. I think this is a string. I need to make sure that this is a string. If it's a string, then we need to convert it into bytes. Let's do a quick check. So we'll run type on HMV value. So this is a string. Okay, so we expected this would be a string instead of an integer. So all we need to do now is convert the string back into bytes, and then we can send it back to the server and finish the level. Okay, so we're going to convert the string back into bytes. So the bytes are going to be HMV value. And this is the string converted to bytes. We're just going to skip this. We're just going to complete this step. We're going to convert the string into bytes, and then we're going to send the challenge back and receive the flag. So let's do that. Save this out. Okay, so we run it and we finish the challenge. Okay, great. So what do we do? So from the server, we received a URL over here. So the URL was in bytes. We need to convert it into a string. After we convert it into a string, we sent a web request to this to the URL that we received, and then we got the headers for that particular page, and then we extracted one of the values of the headers, and we sent that back to the server, and that's what it wanted, and it sent back a flag. So the flag is called header control. Let's go ahead and copy that. Okay, we've got the flag. Let's go ahead and go back and let's submit the flag. You've submitted the flag successfully. Great. Okay, so everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for level number 25 from the Temperance CTF Labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.